Hi guys, it's Dhanush Kumar. In previous video we have seen how to create an app, that is the login app, by using pure Java without using XML. So in this video we are extracting the Smalley code of that app and implementing it on the another app. So let's get started. So in last video we have created this app called Happy Patch. So it is an login app. So it's pure Java, no use of XML here. So let's extract the Smalley code of this app. Let's open the APK editor Pro. Let's select the app. Let's click on Smalley. So what you're going to do is now we need to copy this whole folder. You can see here the Happy Patch whole folder you need to extract. So I'm extracting in here. So I'm extracting in add text folder. So it's extracted. So now let's go back and check whether it is extracted or not. You can see here we have the files, Smalley files of that login patch. So now we are going to implement it on another app. So let's see here I have one simple hello world app. So I will implement it on this app. So let's get started. So let's open APK editor. Let's decompile the app in which you want to add the login. So here my target is to add in expiry app. So click on Smalley. So in Smalley you go to com and you add one folder called with the package name which we login page is created. It is example. So inside example we have another folder called Happy Patch. So Happy Patch is created here. So now let's replace this folder with this Happy Patch folder. So now all the login files have been transferred to this app. So now we need to implement it in this app. So here you go to Android manifest. So you search for int action main. You can see here intent action main. So it is main activity. Now I'm going to give you a code, so you need to paste it there. So I will show you how to do that. So you copy this code. Now you need to paste it below this activity, that is main activity. So the first step is done. The next step is, so you need to copy this, and paste it here below this activity. So remember this is our I've already renamed it to my package name. So you can rename where you have located the folder, not located where, in which app, in what package you have created. So this is what. Now let's compile, save it and compile. So it's done. Now let's install it. you can see the login page has been successfully implemented on this app. So this is how you can implement the login page. So let's check whether it's working or not. You can see this login page is working completely fine. So in next video I'm going to show you how to create the patch. The reason why I have named the package as com example happy patch, you are going to know the reason in the next video. So I have named the package as in that manner because it is already with com example happy patch. Already many patches are present in apk, that is default patches are present, so we can modify it easily and we can implement our patch in the patch zip file. So in next video I'm going to show you how to create your own login patch file for APK Editor Pro. So this is it for this video. So thanks for watching.